Hazrat Umar bin Khattab radiyallahu anhu says, one day I heard Hazrat Hisham bin Hakim reciting the chapter Furqan, reciting the words which I do not recite while reciting the chapter, nor did Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam teach me its recitation with those words. I was about to make haste in seizing him, but I then let him finish the prayer. I then, dragging him by his sheet, brought him to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. I submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I have heard him recite chapter Furqan using the words you did not teach it to me with those words. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, release him. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said to him, recite. He recited it in the way I had heard him recite. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, it has been revealed in the same way. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said to me, recite. I recited that chapter. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon said, it has been revealed in the same way. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, this Quran has been revealed in 7 dialects, so recite in the mode convenient for you. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 1896.